Now ready to race number 7, Santa Ana Fort. And the race is on. Ian's Melody, Ruby Gentry from the outside, Bachelor of Arts, rushing up is Diamond Luster. It's now Ruby Gentry, followed by Diamond Luster. Alongside Ian's Melody, Bachelor of Arts, rushing up is Super Elegant on the further outside. Rushing up Sweet and Gorgeous. It's Diamond Luster, Ruby Gentry, Sweet and Gorgeous alongside Ian's Melody. Para sa amin is running in fifth by Daryl. Alongside is Super Elegant and Saga. And rounding the fourth turn, it's now Sweet and Gorgeous while I can have Diamond Luster. Ruby Gentry rushing up Super Elegant. Ian's Melody para sa amin Saga. IZ Dagon making ground down on the inside as they race the final corner. Diamond Luster, Sweet and Gorgeous on the outside. It's Ruby Gentry. It's now Ruby Gentry, Diamond Luster, IZ Dragon, and by the release para sa amin Ruby Gentry by Alan Kenap. IZ Dragon down on the inside is para sa amin Ruby Gentry by Alan Kenap, and nearing the finish line Ruby Gentry, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat. Second, IZ Dragon. Number 10, Saga, close with Wheel of Fame.